There's the table.
Cheese.
1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, now we are entering the city center.
Yeah, this is
Crossing the
so
river.
old center here.
Yeah. Elder.
Do you have any recommendations?
I don't know. Another strawberry we can try.
There's dark chocolate.
That dark chocolate. Yeah.
Dark chocolate. Einem. Ja, das ist das. Dankeschön.
Dankeschön. Another
Let's try it.
strawberry.
Let's
yeah.
compare it to Poland.
Yeah. So
Polish one?
that one was good. It's delicious, but
That one was
that
better?
was really juicy. I think for strawberry, milk chocolate is better. I think it was not that tasty because it was dark chocolate. Yeah. Chocolate was good. Potato. It's potato, not baguette.
Baguette. The
Cute things. This is cute. It's good.
cute, right?
Sausage, currywurst. Currywurst. Handbrot. Bread? What is bread?
Yeah, bread.
Just bread? That's original.
Special bread.
It's interesting.
Oh, it's filled.
Yeah, cheese and ham.
No, it's true Dresden original.
Oh, only Dresden originated?
Yeah, it's popular in all of Germany, but it's from Dresden.
Oh.
And it's yeast dough filled with melted cheese and some sour cream.
Oh.
So actually, you should try one. There's the table.
Cheese. Try. Oh, 뜨거.
Oh.
우와.
Yeah, put some of the sour cream on it.
Sour cream, sourdough, sour cheese, meat.
Perfect. No.
Sour cream.
Yeah,
With our
that's the right touch to cut through the fattiness.
맛있어.
So the Christmas stolen, I made you try.
Yeah.
We sell it.
Yeah, stolen.
Only.
No. And choco pie.
Baumkuchen. You know what a
Baumkuchen. I don't know.
Highly popular in Japan. When you cut the cake, it looks like the rings of a tree.
Rings of a tree. Let's get Baumkuchen. Can I try one?
So we also have almond only stollen. This is almond only stollen. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, different flavor.
Slightly different flavor, right? This is almond only.
Almond. It's here. It's not that sweet. I like this one more than. Handmade. It's better.
It's a bakery.
It's really better. Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah, of course.
If it was worse,
should be.
that would be.
Yeah, should be. What is it? Oh,
Tin Man.
Tin Man. Diver. 와, 크다.
Okay, thank you.
Interesting.
I don't know what it is.
Turkish blue beer. Starts moving. Dried meat?
Yeah, dried sausage.
Dried sausage. Wow.
It smells amazing, right?
Praha. Praha?
Yeah. Praha.
What's Schinken?
Ham.
Hand.
You can see what's the big ham.
Oh yeah, beautiful. Wow, that's the beef.
Rolling?
That's the beef. Yeah.
That's ham.
That's meat.
That's ham.
Yeah. Perfect meat.
Smells beautiful. Yeah, look at it sizzling.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Stunning. That's the wind. So previously, before motorized things,
Yeah, I
that
guess.
was windmill, and all the mechanics are working with the wind.
I got it quicker than me. I never knew why.
Oh, yeah. I always thought
Why is there a helicopter on the top?
Yeah, helicopter on the top must be the wind one
You know
Yeah.
before me.
to operate the circulating figures.
Let's try it.
Yeah, we can be full.
Okay, let's try it.
Very juicy.
Yeah? Good sausage? Hot bread?
Baguette is crispy and good.
Next year they will be 170 years.
Christmas tour done.
Yep, this is done.
Bye. Okay.